Hi, I'm Cynthia and I am getting jaw surgery. By the time you're watching this video, it'll be November 12th, and I would have just had my jaw surgery 2 days ago on November 10. So I pre-recorded this video just to kind of discuss what I'm hoping for, what I'm expecting in terms of the results. So what I'm imagining, of course right after, I know I'm gonna be really swollen, really out of it. So I figured the best thing to do is pre-record, what I'm like now, and then I can compare later and see what it's like. So the reason I got this surgery is because I want to improve my bite. So here's a quick shot of my side profile. Right now, if you take a look at my teeth, I got quite a bit of a space there. I'm here to talk about what I think is gonna happen after the jaw surgery, or my hopes. Something that I saw online for people that have my kind of bite, where the underbite is like this, and then the top bite is here. What happens when they move this part forward is it actually affects, of course, your upper lip because we're being pushed forward, but it affects your nose too. So one of the things that might happen after surgery is I might have a little bit of a change to my nose. So that change, based on the diagrams that I've seen, would mean my nose might go a little more like swoopy, like upturned, kind of like this, with a slightly, forward nose. Of course, there's no way to know what it'll be like. Time will tell, and I'll see how it goes. There's one thing I don't want to lose, and I don't want to lose my little dimple here. I just think it's kind of cute, and I don't want to lose it, but I don't know. We'll see what happens. Just gotta go through the healing process. We'll see. The big thing I'm hoping for is that I won't have this lisp that kind of gets in the way of my talking and my singing. I'm hoping that that will be fixed because I won't have such little space in my mouth. Anyways, all I can do is hope for the best. Alright, see you next time.